Hey there! So, we got a little problem on our hands with the Remix project. The error message is telling us that we defined an action for a specific route, but forgot to return anything from the action function. It's a bit puzzling because we're throwing an error in the code, especially when the name is John. Let's dive into the solution for this hiccup. In the solution provided, we need to make sure that our catch block include a return statement. When a name is John, the code lands in the catch block, which lacks a return, hence the error. By adding a return statement in the catch block, such as returning an object with an error message, we can ensure that we cover all scenarios and keep things running smoothly. Simple, yet effective. To wrap it up, ensuring that our Remix project functions smoothly is key. By adding a return statement in the catch block when handling errors, we can prevent those pesky errors from popping up. Remember, a little return could go a long way in keeping everything in check. Until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Happy coding!